Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English channel. My name is Sophia.
Hello, friends. Nice to see you today. My name is Jacob.
We help you learn English.
Easy English.
English for beginners.
Level A1 and A2.
If English is new for you, that is okay.
You are in the right place.
Relax.
Take your time.
Let's learn together. Before we start, we have a small favor.
Yes, a small favor.
Please like this video.
Click the like button.
And please subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe for more easy English.
English for daily life.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate it. Now, let's talk about today's topic.
Today's topic is very useful.
Very practical.
Very important.
Today we talk about,
Traveling and airports.
yes, traveling and airports.
If you travel, you go to an airport.
If you go to an airport, you hear English.
A lot of English.
So today we practice easy airport English.
Simple words.
Simple sentences.
No stress.
Jacob, do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
I like traveling too.
When we travel by plane, we go to the airport.
Yes, airport.
An airport is a big place.
Planes take off there.
Planes land there.
People travel to many countries.
Now, let's start from the beginning.
You want to travel.
You pack your bag.
You take your passport.
Passport is very important.
Let's repeat together.
I pack my bag.
I take my passport. How do you go to the airport?
I go by taxi.
By taxi.
Sometimes I go by bus.
By bus.
Sometimes a friend drives me.
That's nice.
I arrive at the airport early.
Early is important.
Airports are busy.
Yes, many people.
Many lines.
Let's practice.
I go to the airport.
I arrive early. Now you are inside the airport.
The first step is check in.
Check in.
Check in is where you get your boarding pass.
Boarding pass is your ticket.
You stand in line.
You wait.
Then you talk to the staff.
The staff works at the airport.
They may ask.
May I see your passport?
You say, here you are.
They may ask.
Do you have a bag?
You say, yes, I have one bag.
Or, no, I have no bags.
Let's repeat.
May I see your passport?
Here you are. Let's talk about bags.
You may have a suitcase.
A suitcase is a big bag.
You put clothes in it.
You check the bag.
Check means give the bag to the airline.
The bag goes on the plane.
You get it after the flight.
Good.
After check-in, you go to security.
Security check.
Security check is very important.
You show your boarding pass.
You show your passport.
You put your bag on the belt.
You walk through a scanner.
Sometimes they say,
Please take off your shoes.
you take off your shoes.
Please take off your jacket.
You take off your jacket.
This is normal.
Do not worry. After security, you wait.
You go to your gate.
Gate is where you get on the plane.
You check the screen.
The screen shows flight information.
Flight number,
Gate number.
time.
You sit down.
You wait.
You may hear announcements.
Announcements are messages.
They speak fast sometimes.
That is okay.
Airports have shops.
And cafes.
You can buy food.
You can buy drinks.
You may say,
Can I have a coffee, please?
or can I have water, please?
Always say please.
And thank you.
Now it is time to board.
Board means get on the plane. They say, Flight 305 is boarding.
You stand in line.
You show your boarding pass.
You show your passport again.
Then you walk to the plane.
You find your seat.
Seat number is on your ticket. You are on the plane.
You sit down.
You put your bag under the seat.
Or above your seat.
The flight attendant speaks.
Flight attendant works on the plane.
They say,
Fasten your seatbelt.
Seatbelt keeps you safe.
The plane takes off.
You are flying. Now you land.
The plane lands.
You leave the plane.
You go to passport control.
They check your passport.
They may ask,
Where are you from?
you say, for example, I am from Spain.
Or any country.
They may ask,
Why are you here?
you say, for vacation?
Or for work. After passport control, you get your bag.
This place is baggage claim.
Your bag comes on a belt.
You wait.
You see your bag.
You take it.
Now you are ready to go. Let's review.
Today we learned about airports.
And traveling.
We learned new words.
Airport.
Passport.
Boarding pass.
Gate.
Security check.
Board the plane.
These words are very common.
You can use them when you travel.
Now it is your turn.
Write in the comments.
Answer this question.
Do you like traveling?
Or
Where do you want to travel?
write a short sentence.
Simple is perfect.
Practice every day. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for learning with us.
Like the video.
Subscribe to the channel.
And see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Safe travels and happy learning.